Welcome back to the channel, where today we take you deep inside the all-new 2026 Ford Transit Camper Van Motorhome, a modern marvel of versatility, power, and travel-ready innovation. This latest iteration of Ford's renowned transit platform takes the idea of adventure living to the next level, fusing the dependable performance of a full-sized commercial van with the complete comforts of a well-equipped mobile home. Designed for those who crave freedom, flexibility, and a touch of luxury on the road, the 2026 Transit Camper Van has been carefully engineered to deliver a home-away-from-home experience that doesn't compromise on drivability, safety, or style. It starts with the base platform, a high-roof extended-length Ford Transit van available in both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations. Ford has fine-tuned the driving dynamics with a newly calibrated suspension system and electronic stability control that make this van handle like a much smaller vehicle, even when fully loaded with gear, passengers, and built-in amenities. Under the hood, the 2026 Transit Camper features a robust 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine that pushes out an impressive 310 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, paired with Ford's smooth-shifting 10-speed automatic transmission. This setup provides more than enough power for climbing steep mountain passes, overtaking on highways, or towing additional cargo like bikes, jet skis, or even a small trailer. For those leaning toward greener alternatives, Ford is also offering an all-electric version of the Transit Camper, based on the E-Transit, which provides up to 200 miles of range and fast charging capabilities that make eco-conscious road tripping more accessible than ever. Step inside the 2026 Ford Transit Camper Van, and you're immediately greeted by an interior that blends smart design with refined materials. The layout has been optimized for comfort, practicality, and space efficiency. You'll find ample headroom thanks to the high roof design, along with strategically placed storage cabinets overhead and under seating areas. The floor plan supports a variety of configurations, with the most popular being the rear bed setup, center galley kitchen, and a convertible front lounge area. The sleeping quarters in the rear come with either a fixed full-size bed or a modular setup that folds into a bench for daytime use. Premium memory foam mattresses, blackout privacy curtains, and dual-pane insulated windows make it feel like a true bedroom on wheels. The galley kitchen is fully outfitted with a compact induction cooktop, a deep stainless steel sink with hot and cold running water, a compressor-driven refrigerator with freezer compartment, and plenty of countertop space with a fold-down extension for meal prep. Soft close drawers and latching cabinet doors prevent rattling on the move, while LED strip lighting creates a warm, cozy atmosphere for late-night cooking or early morning coffee rituals. The lounge and dining area in the 2026 Transit Camper Van has been designed with multi-use functionality in mind. The front seats swivel to face a removable table and adjacent bench, creating a comfortable nook for meals, work, or conversation. Ford has collaborated with leading RV conversion specialists to integrate marine-grade vinyl upholstery, recessed LED lighting, and modular storage systems that make it easy to transition from travel mode to relaxation mode in seconds. The van is equipped with a powerful lithium-ion house battery system, charged via roof-mounted solar panels, shore power hookups, or alternator-driven charging while driving. This off-grid capability means you can boondock in remote locations without worrying about power for lights, appliances, or your devices. A digital control hub lets you monitor battery levels, water tanks, and interior climate, all from a single touchscreen interface or your smartphone. Heating and cooling are handled by a ducted HVAC system tied to a Truma Combi unit, which supplies both air circulation and on-demand hot water. For winter adventurers, insulation is top-notch, with thermal wall panels, floor underlayment, and ceiling foam that work together to maintain interior comfort even in sub-freezing conditions. Water management in the 2026 Ford Transit Camper Van is handled through a pressurized plumbing system connected to a 22-gallon fresh water tank and an 18-gallon gray water tank, both of which are mounted under the van with internal heating pads to prevent freezing. The wet bath option, available in select floor plans, includes a cassette toilet, a waterproof shower space with retractable curtain, and an integrated ventilation fan to reduce moisture and odors. If you prefer a toilet-free design, Ford offers a dry option that opens up more living space. Ventilation throughout the camper is robust, featuring MaxxAir ceiling fans, screened sliding windows, and optional air conditioning units designed for mobile use. Ambient lighting is customizable with dimmable zones, giving the cabin a relaxing vibe whether you're working, dining, or winding down for the night. Storage capacity is another strength of the 2026 Transit Camper. Overhead cabinets run the length of the cabin on both sides, designed with gas struts and secure locks. Under-bed storage is spacious enough for large bins, outdoor gear, and seasonal equipment. The rear garage area, accessible via the twin rear doors, can be customized with cargo tracks, bike mounts, and even fold-out workbenches for those who travel with tools or adventure gear. Exterior features include an electric awning with integrated LED lighting, a side-mounted pull-out table, and roof racks for kayaks, storage boxes, or solar panels. There's also the option for an outdoor shower, perfect for rinsing off at the beach or after a day on muddy trails. Ford has prioritized safety and tech in this 2026 camper van with the inclusion of standard driver assist features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system that provides clear visibility even when maneuvering in tight campground spaces. The large infotainment screen on the dash supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while the integrated navigation system is optimized for RV routes, height restrictions, and points of interest like dump stations or overnight parking. Multiple USB ports, 120 volts outlets, and wireless charging pads ensure all your devices stay powered no matter where the road leads. Soundproofing materials around the cabin minimize road noise, making it easier to enjoy the premium sound system or get a peaceful night's rest. The 2026 Ford Transit Camper Van is available in a variety of color schemes, including classic whites, stealthy grays, and even custom matte finishes. Ford's Upfitter program allows you to personalize the camper interior with your choice of materials, wood finishes, hardware, and upholstery colors. For those who want a factory turnkey solution, Ford partners with well-known RV builders who offer fully built camper versions ready for delivery. Alternatively, DIY builders can start with the stripped cargo version and customize from the ground up. Pricing starts around $85,000 for a base conversion and goes up to $125,000 or more for fully loaded variants with all the bells and whistles. Overall, the 2026 Ford Transit Camper Van Motorhome delivers an incredibly flexible, durable, and comfortable travel solution that feels equally at home parked under the stars or cruising down the interstate. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a full-time vanlifer, or a retired couple chasing scenic routes across the country, this camper van brings practicality and luxury together in a sleek, efficient package. With its solid drivetrain, thoughtfully laid out living space, advanced off-grid capabilities, and commitment to user comfort, the Transit continues to stand out as one of the most complete and capable camper van platforms on the market today. If you're dreaming of freedom, exploring the unknown, or simply downsizing your lifestyle while keeping your independence intact, the 2026 Ford Transit Camper Van is built to make that dream a reality. Let us know in the comments what your ideal camper van layout would be, and don't forget to subscribe for more van life tours, vehicle reviews, and adventure travel insights.